So students, this is question paper 2019, right? So let us solve maths first. Okay, so we'll solve maths first. So the first question is what? That is
Sir, your video is stepped, sir.
okay. So we find the average. First question number, average sum divided by total, and then add it now. So 4 plus 5 is how much? 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 8, 25. Carry 1 year. So 4 plus 1, 5. Yeah. So okay. 25. Carry 2. So here 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 12 is 18. 6 plus 12 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. 18 plus 5, 23. 23 plus 2, 25 point divided by 4. Now you cancel it. So 4 6 are 24. So 6 point. 6. 1 will be remaining. 4 how many is? 4. 3s are 12. So 6.3. 6.3. Then so 3 will be 4 3s are 12, right? So 3 will be remaining. Now it will be 30. 4 7s are 28. Now 2 will be remaining. 4 5s are 20. So 3. So how much answer? 6.375. Answer option is option B. Okay na? Everyone did it? Yes? So listen here. That is this, right? So they have given milk is to water is 3:1. So total milk, that is mixture is how much? 28 liters is there. So 28 liters means how much will be the answer now? Doubt is share will be, how do we find the share? We know A into total divided by A plus B. In the ratio we do. So if you want to find milk here, milk is how much here? 3 parts. So 3 into total is how much? 28 liters. So 3 plus 1 if you do 4. So it will be 3 into 28 divided by 4. So 4 7s are 3 7s are 21 liters is how much? Milk is there. 21 liters milk. So which option it has? Option D. So 21 liters of milk is there. Okay. So here I will explain one shortcut. The shortcut is, you should find 28 liters is there. So you should add this. 3 plus 1 will be 4. So 4 means if you divide with 4, you will get how much? 4 7s are 28. So 7 will be the answer. Each part will be how much? 7. Each part will be 7 means 3. Here total parts is how much? 3 plus 1 means 4 parts they are making. How many total parts? 4 parts are they making it, right? So if you make 4 parts, what will be the answer here? What? So if you make 4 parts, one part will be 7 liters, and then we can divide it. Okay. So see students, shortcut you should remember how. That is, we have to do like this. That is milk and this. 3 plus 4 is how much? 3 plus 1 is 4. So you should divide this 4 total with how much? 4. So 4 how many is? 4 7s are. So one part is 7. One part is how much? 7. Total parts 3 plus 1 is 4 parts, right? So one part is 7 means total parts are 4, right? So one part is 7. 3 parts will be how much? 21. So you multiply with 7 here. What you should do? You should multiply with 7. So 3 plus 3 into 7 is 21. And water is 1. So water is 1 into 7 is 7. So 7, that is the answer. Okay, you can use this shortcut. That is, you have to add this and then you have to divide that total. Okay na? Then you will get each part. So that you multiply with the ratio. Okay, fine. So now we have to find what? That is third question, 153, time taken by the car. So time, how do we find time? Time we find by distance by speed. Distance is how much? 1200 kilometers divided by speed is 75 kilometers. Right? Yes. So what we have to do? We have to divide with which number? Let's divide with 15. 15 5 is how much? 75. 15 8 is 120. So now it is 80, right? So now you divide with 5 table. 5 ones are 5, how many is? 5 ones are 5, 5, 3 will be 5 6 are 15, that is 16 5 are 30, right? So 16 hours will be the answer. How much will be the answer? 16 hours. Okay, so if you divide it 16 hours. So how do you find the time? You find time by distance by speed. Okay, you should remember one formula, that is D, S and T. DST. Write in alphabetical order. How should you write? You should write it in alphabetical order. That is here. So you remember this D, S and T. You should write in alphabetical order. That is speed if you want to find, distance by time. If you want to find time, it is distance by speed. Speed. If you want to find distance, speed into. So here we have to multiply and these we have to divide it. Okay na? Remember like this. Okay, DST in alphabetical order. D first, then speed, then time. DST. Okay na? Okay, good. So this is, that is if you want to find speed, distance by time. Distance by time. If you want to find time, distance by speed. If you want to find distance, speed into time. Speed into time. Okay, that is how you have to do. Okay, fine. So see here, listen now. 153 question. Find the time. 153 with 154. What percentage is 10 meter in 25 meter? So we know how do we write that, right? So we just have to first write in fraction, right? What we have to do? We have to first write it in fraction, right? So that is in, we write it as, you write this same as what? So 10 meter in 25 meter is there, right? We should write that as 10 meter by 25 meter. 10 meter by 25 meter. If you want to find percentage, what we have to do? Multiply with 100%. We should multiply with 100%. We just write in means 10 divided by 25. 10 divided by 25. If you want to find percentage, what we should do? We should multiply with 100%. Now cancellation. So 25 how many is 100? Yes, 25 4 is 100. Okay, so 25 4 is 100. So 10 into 4 is how much? 40%. How much? 40%. Option is option A. Okay na? So that is 40% will be the answer. Okay. Yes. So student, fifth question, right? That is what they have asked. Area of a floor of a rectangular room is 180 square centimeter. If the breadth is 12, find the length. So we know this is area. How do we find? Right? Area we find by length into breadth. Length into breadth is area. So area is how much here? That is 180 square meter is there. So that will be length. How area we find by length into breadth. So that is how much? 180. Now what they have given? They have given what? Yes, breadth of the floor. Breadth they have given as how much? 12. So length into 12. So if you want to find how much length will be, what we have to do? We have to divide that side, right? So 180 divided by how much? 12. So if you divide it, you will get the answer. So 12 how many is? Yes? 12 ones are 12, 6 will be remaining, 12 5s are 15. So length is how much? 15 meter. Okay. So or directly you should remember shortcut, that is we just have to divide the area with how much? Breadth or length. Breadth or length. If they give length, you should divide with breadth. You should divide with, if they give breadth, you should divide with length. Okay na? Anything. So just divide it. Okay na? Yes? Or. Okay? Fine. Write it down. So next question is what? If any doubt, let me know. Okay. So a number has 500, 7 tens, 2 ones. This is very easy. You do it. Just we have to write it, right? So if you want to write, I will write it. That is, first one is how much? That is 20, 156, right? That is, a number has 500. So 500 means, so that is 500. Okay. Yes, I am writing directly. 7 tens means 7 into 10, 70. Okay, next is 2 ones means 2 into 1, right? So that is 5 hundreds. If you want me to write, Otherwise 5 into 100 is 500, and then how much? Next is, that is 7 tenths. 7 into 10 means 70, and then 2 ones means 2 into 1, that is 2. Okay, and then after that 600. 600 means 6 into 1 by 100. Hundreds. Okay, so that is 0. It will be how much? Yes, 0.6, because 6 by 100 it will be. It will be how much? 6 by 100. Right? 0.06. 2 zeros means 2 decimal place. Now they have given 5 thousandths. 5 thousandths means 5 divided by 1000. That will be 0.005. So answer, if you add it, you will get 572.065. 572.065 will be the answer. Okay, na? So that is 600. Oh. Okay. There is 3 tenths also, right? So above this there is 3 tenths. Okay. So 3 tenths means 3 by 10. So 0.3. Then 600. 6 by 100 means 0.06. So 0.06 means it will be 3 here. Right? 365 answer, option D. Yes. Option D. Okay. Yes. So next, students, what
I
we have
have
to
this 2019 question paper books that I solved it.
Okay, good. Next, if you see here, convert 0.756 into percentage. 0. How much? 756 into percentage. If you want to do, we have to multiply with how much? You have to multiply with 100%. Okay, na? So now here 2 zeros are there. So 2 zeros are there means this will shift 2 times. So answer will be 75.6%. What will be the answer? 75.6. Option is option C. Okay? Yes. So see here, student, next question, that is 158, right? So company had expenditure of this much. Next, it increased to this much, that is 1 crore 22 lakh 83,210. So find the increase. To find the increase, we just have to minus. If you minus these two number, then you will get last in the 1 crore 22 lakh, there is 0, and here 5. So that is 10 minus 5. If you do, you will get 5. So 5 is in which option? Option D. That is the answer. Okay, na? Okay, yes, good. Sir. Very easy. So see here, students, the next question is what? That is, if you see, they are telling population of village is 6,700. Of that, 30% are men and 25% are women. So remaining will be children, right? So here, if you take, men are how many? 30%. Women are 25%. Total men plus women will be 55%. So total, we know in the percentage, total will always be 100. So remaining, this is men and women. Remaining, who will be there? Children will be there. So from 100%, if you minus 55%, you will get how much? 45%. So how many children are there? 45%. So we have to find 45% of total population. That is 6,700. We know how to find 45% means 45 by 100 into 6,700. Now here 2 zeros. Here 2 zeros cancel. So 45 into 67 will be 3,015. Option is option A. Okay? Yes. That is how we do. So yeah, that is what? No, that is addition. That is total women and men. If you leave them, who will be there? Children will be there. So leave them. That is minus it. Okay? So now let's go to the next question. What is the next question? That is 150, 160, right? Yes, 160 question. So here, if you see a triangle in which one angle is 90 degree and two sides are equal. So one angle 90 means right angle. Right angle. So and right angle will be there and two sides are equal means that is isosceles. We say two sides equal means isosceles. So isosceles right angle triangle, option is A. Option A is the correct one. Okay na? Okay, good. Next, if you see 161, so what is the answer? Ram weighs 123 kilograms. He is 4 times heavier than Sham. What is Sham's weight?
Sir, you weigh
Yes.
123 kilograms. Sir.
Yes, that is not me. That is the example, right? Okay.
Sir, you
So
are
here-
doing that, sir.
Yes. So now 10th question, right? So if you see 10th question, that is how much? Here,
Sir, will make confusion.
huh?
Yes, sir.
So that is Ram weight is 123 kg, and Sham is 4 times heavier than. He is 4 times heavy. So Ram is how much? That is 4 times heavier than Sham. Yes. So if you want to find Sham's weight, you have to take this 4 to the that side. So Ram divided by 4. So Sham will be 1/4, right? So Ram divided by 4 will be Sham. So if you want to find Sham, what will be the answer? That is, so Sham is equal to Ram is there. Ram is how much? 123 divided by 4. If you divide it, you will get answer. So that is 4 3s are 12, right? So 1 will be remaining. 4 3s are, sorry, 0. No. So no, 1 will not be remaining. 3 is smaller. So 0 we have to take. 3 zeros are 0. Now 3 is again smaller. So point 3, how many is? 3. It will become 30. 3 sevens are how much? 28. So 30.7. So 30.7 is which option? Now 2 will be remaining. 4 how many is? 4 5s are 20. So 30.75 will be the answer. Option is option A. Okay na? 30.75 answer. Option A. So next question is very easy. So two prime numbers between 35 and 43. What will be the answer? Right? So after 35 will be 37 and 39 is not prime. 37 and 41. 37 after that 41. So option is option C. Okay. So that is option C. 2 are prime numbers. Okay. Next, LCM of 15, 20 and 30. What will be the LCM? Yes. So if you see, that will be answer how much? 60 will be the answer. How much? Option B. That is 15 4s are 60, 23s are 60, 32s are 60. 60 will be the answer, right? LCM. Okay. You can find it because 55 will not be dividing with 15. 15 will not divide 50 also. 75 is not divisible by 30. So that is why not answer. Option B is the answer. Okay na? So see here, LCM we will, how do we do? That is how much? 15, 20 and 30 is there. So all the numbers written in which table? So 5 table. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are, okay, 5 6 are. Now okay, fine.
We will
So
do
3
it.
table. Okay. 3 1s are 4 as it is. 3 2s are. Now 2 table, right? So 2 1s are same 1. So 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So now you have to multiply with remaining, that is 2. So if you multiply with 5 3s are 15. 15 4 2s are 15 2s are 30. 30 2s are 60. Option is option B. Okay na? You do it. Okay, good. So now students, let us go next. That is weight of 4 boys is given. We have to find what? Average. So how do we find average? I told you before only. That is sum divided by total number. So sum, if you want to find, that is how much? 47.2 plus 4. 39.4 plus 40.8 plus is how much? That is 45.2 divided by 4 numbers. So if you add it, how much answer you will get? Tell me. If you add all this, yes. So after doing addition, you will get sum as 172.6 divided by 4 is there. Now you divide it. What you have to do? 172.6 divided by 4. So 4 4s are 16 here. 1 will be remaining. 4 3s are 12. Point as it is. 1 will be remaining. 4 4s are 16. So 43.4. 43.4 is not there. So we did mistake in what? Addition. Okay. Yes. Silence. Yes. So here answer is correct. Addition, that is 172.6 is correct. Now we have to divide with 4, right? So if you divide with 4, that is 7 4s are That is 4 7 4s are 60. 1 will be remaining. 4 3s are 12. Point is there. So now 6 is there, right? So 7 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. 2 will be remaining. That will become 20. 4 5s are 20. So 43.15 is the answer. Okay. You can do the division like this also. That is, you can do the division like this by 4. 172.6. Okay, na? You can do that one also. So 15th question, which fraction is greatest? We have to find, right? So that is, we know how to find the greatest fraction. So option A is 2 by 5, and then is how much? Yes. How much next? 3 by 4. Like that, how much? 2 by 3, and then 1 by 3. So you should multiply with how much? You should multiply with 100. You should multiply with 100 and find the value. So here 5 2s are 10, 0 as it is. So 2 20 is how much? 2 20s is 40. You will get answer here. So 4 how many is 100? 4 25 is 100. So 25 3s is how much? That is 75 answer. So this will be greatest, option B. You can find by multiplying here. You will get 66.66%. Okay, 66.66. If you multiply with 100, you will get 33. Okay, 33.33. So that option B is the greatest. Option B is the 3 by 4 is the answer. Okay, now you should multiply with the 100 and then you can find the value easily. So next question. That is, one gains 42 rupees by selling an article for 300. Then the gain percentage is they are asking. So here it is actually very easy. So listen, I will show you. That is 166 question, right? So there is buying. You buy it and then what you will do? You will sell it, right? You will sell it. So here there is selling for how much? 300 rupees. He sold for how much? That is 300 rupees. Gains means profit. So that is plus how much? Profit is 42 rupees is the profit. So how do we find this cost price here? Yes, we should minus it. So cost price is selling price minus profit. Okay, na? So that is, if you minus 300 minus how much? That is 42. If you do, that is the buying cost price will be how much? That is 358. 358. So 258 is the cost price. Now we have to find the percentage. So that is wait here. So here, if you take, now you write once again. You write it once again. So that is 258 rupees the cost price, and the profit is how much? 42 rupees. So now if you want to find the profit percentage, we should divide what? That is profit divided by cost price into 100. So profit is 42 rupees on cost price of 250. So 42 rupees on cost price of 258 into 100 we have to do. So now let us cancel it. So it will come in which table? 7 table. 7 table here. 7 6 are 42. 7 3s are how much? Yes? 7 3s are
21.
21. So 4 will be remaining. It will become 48. Yes? So 48 means
Divisible.
huh?
Sir, not divisible. 48
Not divisible. Okay, it is not divisible. So we will take with 2 first. Okay?
By 3.
We can divide with 3 also. Okay, we will do it. So 42 divided by how much? That is 258 into 100 is there, right? So everything we got correct, right? So selling for gains 42 rupees. Okay. So here let us divide now. So we can divide with 6 table. Yes?
No, we can divide with
6 table we can divide. So 6 4s are 6 4s are 24. How much? 1 will be remaining. 6 3s are 18. 6 7s are 42 now. Okay? So let us go with nearby values. We will go with nearby values, right? So if you go with nearby values, that is also problem. 7 6 are 42. So if you divide with this, now 42, right? Point will come. Then nearly around 15 point answer will come. 15 point answer means option B is the answer. So let us do it like that only. So now 7 you got, 7 ones are 7, 7 how many, 7 6 are 42, 7 6 are 42, so 43 is there, you leave 1. So now you divide with 6 and how much, 100, 6 and 100. So 6 ones are 6, 4 remaining, 6 are 36, 16% is coming answer. So 16% means which is the nearest answer to 16? 15 is the nearest answer, option B is the answer. Okay, it will be nearly around 15 point. Okay, yes. See here student, next question, we have to find the complementary angle. Complementary means 90 degree will be the answer. So 40 plus how much is 90 degree?
50.
Yes, 50 we have to do, we will get 90 degree. So answer will be option how much? D. Okay, 160.
Option D.
Yes, 167. 168 is there, right? So if you do 168, what is the question? Find the selling price of a bicycle after gaining 20% profit on whose cost is 12,000 rupees. So cost they have given, cost is how much? 12,000 rupees. They are gaining how much? 12%. 12% they are gaining, right? So we have to find the selling price after adding 12%. So 12% of how much we have to find? 12,000. So profit is there, right? So profit is 12%. Okay. So profit is 12%. That is gain. Gain and both profit are same. So 12% of what? 12,000. So 12,000 will be how much answer? 12 divided by 100 into 12,000. If you cancel 2 zeros, it will be 12 12s are how much answer? 144 and 1 0. So 1440 is the answer. That 1440 is the profit.
Yes,
so what we have to do that profit?
Option C.
Cost price is 12,000. So that is we have to add 1440. That is the profit. So what will be the selling price? Yes. So 12,000 plus that is 1440. If you do, you will get answer as how much? 13,440. So option is option B. Everyone, easy is it?
Sir, option B.
Yes, option B is the answer. Okay. Yes. So students, next question 169, right? So what is 40% of 2 hour we have to find? 40% of how much? 2 hour. So 2 hours means how many minutes? 120 minutes. So 20%, 40% means 40 by 100. So 2 hours, 1 hour means 60, 2 hours means 120 minutes. So we have to find 40% of 120 minutes. So cancel the zeros, 1 0 here, 1 0 here, 1 0 here, 1 0 cancel. 4 into 12 is 12 4s are 48 minutes. How many minutes? 48 minutes is the answer. Okay. So see here students, a little change. Okay, see in 168 question, right? So if you see that is 20%, not 12%, right? So 20% if you take, 20% will be, that is 2 zeros cancel, 120 into 20, that is 12 2s are 24 here, and then 2 zeros, so 2400. If you add 2400 to the cost price, you will get 14,400 answer. Okay, change that. So answer is here. Option is option?
Option C.
Option C. Okay.
Sir.
169 now. Should we go 169?
Wait, sir.
I already explained it, right?
Then why
Okay.
you need to do their multiplication?
Student studies. So 170 question, right? So a student secured 13% marks out of total 600. If he failed by 60 marks, total marks required to pass is, they are asking. So how much he is taking? That is 170, right? So he took 30% of how much? 600. 30% of 600 will be how much? That is, it will be 6 3s are 18. You calculate means, actually it will be 180 marks. After taking 180 marks also, how much he is failing by? Yes? How much he is failing? He take 180 marks. So failed by how much? 60 marks. He failed by 60 marks. So if you add, then what is the total marks he will need? That is 240 marks. 240 is option?
C.
Option C. Okay, that is how you have to do. Understand? Okay,
So
good.
160 is the answer. So 160 is explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
170 question is very easy. That is, they are taking for how much? That is a laptop bought for how much? 25,000. So laptop bought for 25,000 and sold for how much? 18,005 and 18,250 rupees. Sold for 50. That is less. So that is loss. It is less. 25,000 taking, 18,250 selling means loss. So loss is how much? Yes.
Sir, CP minus S.
So loss is if you minus 25,000 minus how much? 18,250. It will be how much answer? Yes. 6,750 is the loss. 6,750 is the loss. After that we have to find the percentage. Yes. And then we have to find percentage. What we have to do? We have to find percentage. So loss 25,000 mele 6,750 is the loss. Okay. So how much loss? 6,450. Okay. So that much is loss means loss percentage. How do we find? Loss divided by cost price into 100. So loss is how much? 6,750. Cost price is how much? 25,000 and then into 100. If you do, you will get the answer. Yes, here 3 zeros are there, here 1 zero, here 2 zeros. Cancel. Now 25 how many is? 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 12 will be remaining, 25 fives are how much? 125. So loss percentage is how much? 25%. So option is option. Yes. A. Okay na? Okay, good. So students, it is little division wrong. Okay, so change that. That is not 25. Here it will be 17 remaining. 25 twos are 50. 17 will be remaining. It will become 175. So 25 how many is 175? 25 sevens are. Answer is 27%. Okay. Yes, correct. Answer is option C. Okay.
Sir, this also option C.
Yes.
172.
Yes. Okay, next is Roman number for 94. Roman number for 94 is how much? That is ha. So option is option C. Yes, very good. This is the 94. Okay, good. So next question 173, right? Which of the following represents 0? So what answer will give 0? We have to see it, right? So if you see,
Option B.
what will be the answer?
B option.
Huh?
B option.
D option, huh? Yes, 1 into 0 is 0. So that is why answer is option B. 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. Answer option A will not come. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. So no, none of these, no. So 1 into 0 is 0. So option B is the answer. Okay. Next, what should be the fraction divided by this to get this? So we just have to what? Divide it.
This is easy.
Yes. No, not divided. So fraction should be divided by what? Fraction should be divided by 7 by 8 to get this. So we have to multiply these two, right? I will show you how. Okay now. So see here.
Cross multiply, no?
That is what. So here 171 is done. So see here 174 now. Okay. So 174 is question, what fraction should be divided by? What fraction should be divided by how much? 7 by 8 to get answer how much? 8 by 9. So what fraction is in the numerator? What fraction is in the numerator? Yes. So if you take this to the other side, what will happen? It will multiply. So that is why what we have to do, 8 by 9 into 7 by 8 we have to do it. Okay. Yes. What fraction divided should be divided by 7 by 8 is there. That is why. So now we know cancellation. 8 by 9 into 7 by 8 is there. 8 cancels out. 9 into 9 by 7 by 9 will be remaining. So 7 by 9 means answer is option What? C. Okay, answer is option C. Understand?
Option C, sir, 77.
Yes. So 175 now. 175. If you see what is the question, that is sum of first how many? 8 prime numbers. Sum of 8 prime numbers. First 8 prime numbers. What are the first 8 prime numbers here? If you add it, that is you will get how much? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 11, 17 and 19 are first 8 prime numbers. If you add, you will get 77 answer. Okay, good. Write it down. So see here next question. Okay, so next question is what? That is 9:12 is what percentage? They have given. So 9:12 means 9 by 12. We write it as. To find the percentage, we have to multiply with how much? 100%. So if now cancellation. So 9 by 12 into 100 is there. So we can divide with 3 table. So 3 how many is 12? 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Okay. So now 425 is a 100. So what is remaining? 325 is a. So 75% is the answer. Okay now? Yes. 325 is 75. Okay. Good. So students, next if you see what is given, they have given that area of square is 324. So area of square we find by multiplying side 2 times. Side 2 times. That is side into side. So 324. So side you have to take the square root of 324. We know square root of 324 is how much? 18. Yes? 18. So 18 is 324. So that is why side will be how much? 18. Side will be 18 now. So we have to find the perimeter. How do you find the square perimeter? 4 times side. So 4 into side. So 4 into 18 if you do, how much answer you will get? 72. How much? 72. 18 4s are 72. So option is option C. Okay now? Okay, good. So now next is 178. Okay. So they have given circle area. Circle area is how much? 154 centimeter square. So we know how do you find the circle area, students? Pi r square. So pi r square is 154. So now pi means 22 by 7. R square is we have to find and 154. So if you take that other side, it will become 22 by 7 will become 7 by 22. Now cancel it. 22 how many is? 22 7s are 154. Yes, 22 7s are 154. Or you can do it 11 table also. 11 and then 2 table. So 7 7s will come. So r square means r into r 2 times. We have to multiply r square means. So radius is how much? 7 centimeter. From that we have to find what? Circumference we have to find. So if you want to find circumference, how do you find circumference? After this you write this. Okay. After this. So then circumference is how much? 2 pi r. So 2 into pi means 22 by 7. Radius is 7. We got it here. Right. So then 7 7 cancels. What remaining is 2 into 22. 22 2 is how much? 44.